Hi folks, DMX here. Today I'm gonna show you guys my everyday carry toolkits for troubleshooting, small electrical work, and some maintenance work. So starting from the corner here, I have two boxes of screws here. The bigger one is 1.5 inches, the other one is 3/4 of an inch. Those two sizes of screw are the most common sizes I use in my job. Here has a little square to make right angle and cut straight lines. Pump pliers, linesman, diagonal cutter, wire stripper, and pair of scissors. Finally, the multi-bead screwdriver. You always need a good size of a multi-screwdriver, so you don't need to carry a bunch of them. I use the smaller one because sometimes the bigger one won't allow me to get into the relay socket holes. Now come to this side. I have a small hacksaw, sharpies, pencil, the stud finder. This is my needle nose. You always have some tight corner to get in. You will find this pair of needle nose very helpful. Utility knife, a set of Allen key, measuring tape, receptacle tester. Always have a bunch of tie wraps with me. You do need a good drill to do some small work. I carry the 12-volt drill, so it's lighter and won't take a lot of space, but I do recommend it. Milwaukee 12-volt fuel, it makes huge difference. I think they will do like 95% of my daily job compared with the full 18 or 20 volts color drills. And depends on what project I'm doing, I always keep some spare parts in this small box. So I may need a step bit, some marrettes, sometimes may need some like a BX connector and anti-shock. Have some silicone, a crossing wrench, don't need a big one, some electrical tape, a multimeter, and finally a box of this. This is good stuff for drilling holes, socket, different kind of bits, and you have even those. So like even you need to do a lot of wrenching, you just put whatever size of socket you need in this box and do everything you need. Okay, thanks for coming to my channel. Have a good day.